What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, guys, we're going to be checking out our new Husky cabinets. I forgot to make the intro for this video, so I kind of had to come and make it now that we're already done. But yeah, anyways, guys, and check it out, man. In this video, we're going to be unboxing and getting the cabinets all set up and installed. And I'll kind of give you guys a tour at the end. We'll kind of show you guys. We've kind of gotten some stuff moved in already, but we're at that point now where, you know, you could probably spend days, weeks, months organizing everything. So I'll save you guys all that. But yeah, my dudes, I'm super excited. It's very cool. I'm very happy with the way everything kind of turned out. So let's get started, dudes, and let's check out these cabinets. Okay, dudes, so my first complaint, or I should say my first issue with these upper cabinets, I mean, it's cool that they give you this this little rail to, you know, to hang your cabinets from, but so I just mounted this 2x4, as you guys kind of saw, and so I put my level on the 2x4. And it looks pretty fucking good. I mean, pretty fucking close. Okay, so let's look at this level, and I set this level here to be level, right? But if you look at it, why is that angled up on the 2x4? So I'm like, you know what? Let me check. Put my level on it, right? So look at this bullshit. Okay, that's sitting on their fucking thing, and their thing is showing level. You see that shit? So, the moral of the story here, guys, is you already know what I'm gonna say, and that is, don't trust those fucking levels, because, you know, I've been using this level for a long time, and it's served me pretty well. You know, so I've leveled quite a bit of things with this, and it's done me pretty well, so I still trust it. So I guess we'll see how it turns out, but I'm not going to trust those. I'm going to trust this. So be wary, beware. All right, dudes, so here we are. We pretty much have the whole Husky garage thing going on here. We've got the air reel up here. Some of you guys have probably already seen this. We've got the power and air, which is ran out remotely. Those of you guys that kind of follow along with the channel. What I did do as well, guys, is we're doing the garage rails in black. So these look real nice. You know, just kind of gives it a more polished, finished look, guys. So have no fear what this wire is sticking out. Eventually we're going to be putting a power washing system over here, my dudes. So where this wire is. So I'll probably run some one water line. We're going to have a pressure washer, an electric pressure washer. That's going to be cool, but that's kind of down the road because those are pretty pricey. But anyways, guys, yeah, man, this is it. She's coming together. We also got a Husky stool, my dudes. Couldn't get all the cabinets and not get the stool. It was just kind of a no-no. But yeah, so this is the 72-inch box that you guys have known me to have. Those of you guys that probably this was probably my first video that I uploaded to YouTube was on this. I'm gonna make another video on this tool chest. This is their third biggest one they make. They have an 84 and I think a 92 or a 96 or something like that. But this one serves my purpose very well. I don't have a whole lot of stuff in here just yet. But I do have a few things in here. So a couple of wrenches down here. But yeah. So and then the uppers, guys. Those of you guys that are wondering dimensions on these, this was my biggest struggle is knowing the dimensions on these cabinets. It's like a closely guarded secret or something, and none of the other YouTube videos that I watched, nobody ever really talked about this. So 28 inches wide on each upper, guys, 22 inches tall by, I want to say it's 18 or 19 inches deep. So we don't really have a lot in here yet. Like I said, literally, I'm still in the process of moving in, guys. Just got a few things in here, though. But these cabinets are all super nice. Pegboard hangers on these dudes up here. These are just a couple of the options you get when you go with the heavy duty versus the standard duty. Everything's just a little more solid, a little more well put together, and you get way better options. So, but this cabinet here, this is one of two of the tall lockers. So 82 inches tall, 36 inches wide, and a full 24 inches deep, guys. So same depth as the box here. That's what I wanted. I wanted everything to kind of line up really good. This dude here, this is my DeWalt cabinet. This is where I keep all my DeWalt stuff. As you guys probably know, some of you guys might know, I'm a huge DeWalt fan. I love DeWalt tools. I wouldn't say I'm a huge, but I've already got the whole DeWalt system, so it's just kind of what I stick with. Milwaukee makes great tools too, but I've already got all this DeWalt stuff and so many batteries. So, yeah, super cool. Pegboards on the insides of here, guys. Pegboard. These do come with the drawers. Don't laugh at my towel. I just have a towel in the bottom of here right now just to keep me from scratching up the bottom. I am going to get some mats, some Husky mats, and put down in here. These are the only ones that did not come with mats. So kind of weird. But we're going to get some just to keep everything nice. So, yeah. So that's cabinet number one, guys. And then I don't have anything. Well, actually, I think I do have some stuff. There's just some leftover hardware in here. But I'm not going to do every drawer, guys. We're not going to go through every one. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys, generally kind of what you get here. The same on this guy here, 28 inches wide, 24 inches deep, 34, 35 inches tall, something like that. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawer system here. Pretty cool. Did come with liners in here. These are nice. Love these. Very, pretty heavy. Very cool. Yeah. So, and then this being my last cabinet here, guys. Again, 36 inches wide, 82 inches tall, 24 deep. This is going to be my detailing cabinet where I keep in all my my detailing products, dudes. So, you know, microfibers, shop towels, car wash products, car care and car wash products. I'm going to get some more stuff. But yeah, this is what we're rocking for now. And then once we kind of get more things moved in, we'll be all good. But that's pretty much it, my guys. Here's another view of it from the end down here. Super cool. This whole system here, I believe they said it's 156 inches from the beginning of that locker to the end of this one's 156 inches, and that one is 72. So if you guys are wondering if you have enough room or not, there are your dimensions, guys. That's what you get. So all right, guys, that's pretty much it. That's gonna do it for this video. But I just wanted to say to those of you guys out there, man, that liked and subscribed, those of you guys that kind of followed along with the videos here, it's been quite a journey. I'm glad it's done. I'm glad it's over. It's such a great use of space now. This is, you know, pretty much almost a livable part of the house, guys. It's awesome. I'm super excited. You know, huge fan of these Husky cabinets. My delivery was great. I had no issues, no dents, dings, scratches, no issues. My cabinets were flawless, guys. So that's a huge plus for me. You know. But yeah, guys, you know, just wanted to say too, you know, to those of you guys out there, man, that liked and subscribed and have been kind of following along, hopefully I gave you guys some inspiration to maybe want to fix up your garage. But yeah, thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will try to keep the videos rolling for you here. We'll see what kind of other projects we can get ourselves into. But until then, guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.